Good afternoon, this is RJS Roofing here at Dorian Person's house. Attempted to do a repair test on this here shingle due to this damaged tab. It is December 11th, 4:30 p.m. It's about 50 degrees outside. Today's tools I'll be using is a hammer, nail puller, and a State Farm roof snake. First things first, I'm going to start by loosening our tabs by breaking the seal, doing it as gently as possible. You see we got granules falling off already, just from me busting the seals.
I'm gonna give a close-up overview. Whoever watching this, for these two rows right here, those are the rows we'll be taking nails from. That way you can see there's no prior damage or creasing or any problems really with these surrounding shingles and row repair. Back over here.
All right, starting in this bottom row, lifting it just to locate my nail, which should be on the seal line of the shingle. And removing it.
Give you a close-up of this right here. You see that pretty thick creasing and broken matting. I mean, pretty self-explanatory all the way across the top there.
To our second one.
Give you another close-up. This one not quite as bad as the first one. Still a good crease, still broken matting right there in the middle as well.
Third one.
Close up. You see that crease, that granule loss. Pretty thick creasing, wide creasing here, going all the way across the top.
Last one on this bottom row.
Give you another close up here. Condition check. Not quite as bad as those other ones. See a little bit broken matting here. A little bit more there. That right there is probably the worst area of it.
So we're gonna start on this top row. Same thing, just locating the nail.
Give you another close up here. See that loose granules from the light tapping. Some broken matting here, right here in the middle as well. Condition check, like this one right here. See that broken matting starting there, going all the way along the top right there.
Our last shingle, our last tab, we should have two over here.
Oh, there's two. Close up that last shingle. You see, pretty self-explanatory with that crease right there going all the way along the top there.
Move our old shingle, insert our new one. Line it up. All right, now with the State Farm roof snake, I'm gonna install our nails back. Just lifting my tab to get my nail and roof snake in place. This repair test is done. As you can easily see, from removing nails and installing them back, we now have creases forming, mat breaking, granule loss in all 4 bottom row tabs. The same deal with our top one. Deep creasing all along the top of these tabs. Therefore, we got 7 new damaged tabs on this one repair. I have to say this repair test has failed.
I'll give you one more close-up overview of these 2 rows again, just so you can see those creases a little bit better, a little closer.